relationship between fundamental rights and directive principles. It is possible to see both fundamental rights and directive principles as a complementary to each other. Fundamental restrain the government from doing certain things, while directive principles exhort the government to do certain things. Fundamental rights mainly protect the rights of individuals, while directive principles ensure the well-being of the entire society. However, at times when government intends to implement directive principles of state policy, it can come in conflict with the directive rights of the citizens. The problems arose when the government sought to pass laws to abolish zamindari system. These measures were opposed on the ground that they violated rights to property. However, keeping in the mind the societal needs that are greater than the individual interests, the government amended the constitution to give effect to the directive principle of state policy. This led to a long legal battle. The executive and the judiciary took different positions. The government claimed that rights can be abridged for giving effect to directive principles. These arguments assumed that rights were a hindrance to welfare of the people. On the other hand, the court felt the view that fundamental rights were so important and sacred that they can be limited even for purposes of implementing directive principles.